Hello everyone, this is Sampath. In the today video tutorial, I am going to show how to change material type of already created material. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. In real time, user have the chance to choose wrong material type. In that case, no need to worry about that. We can change the material type after creating the material master. To change material master, we can use the transaction code MMAM. In first case, I am using zero stock material. For particular material, I don't have the stock. That material I'm going to use. Okay. Enter transaction code MMAM. Now press enter your material master, enter new material type. I want to change raw material to finished product. Hence I am going to use new material type is FERT. Now press enter key. Just click on execute button. Now press enter key. Read the warning message and press enter key. First select the valuation class. Here I am converting raw material to finished product, hence the system suggesting the finished material valuation class. Okay, now click on right mark. Yes, my material type is successfully changed. Here we can see the message. In second case, we can see material have stock. Whether system allows or not, we need to check. Okay, enter the transaction code MMAM. Now press enter key. Enter your material master. Enter material type. Press enter key. Now click on execute button. Read the warning message. Enter key. My material stock is already available. Hence, it is not possible to change the material type. In third case, I am going to change the material type of non-stock material to raw material, NaLG to ROH material. Okay, enter the transaction code MMAM, enter material master, enter material type ROH in new material field, press enter key. Now execute. Read the warning message, press enter key. Yes, my material type is successfully changed non-stock material to raw material ROH material. Okay, here we can observe system not asked the any valuation class. Why? Because my non-stock material accounting view is not maintained. For raw material, if we want to maintain the accounting view, we can maintain in transaction code MM01. In previous video, I already explained this. Link I shared in video description. You can watch that video. That's it, my today video tutorial. If you have any suggestions or any queries, please comment me. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.